There's London Overground and there's London Underground. What if the 378 trains have toilet cubicles? You can see a toilet cubicle by where the passengers can sit on the seat, but it's not a complete seat. It's like a lay down kind of seat. And the toilet cubicle has buttons for opening and closing the doors. It is a nice addition. What if London Underground or a London Underground train had had a toilet cubicle? We have a toilet cubicle by a row of seats and by the doors for passengers to enter and exit the train. This toilet cubicle has a screen which I assume would show if the toilet cubicle has someone inside and the toilet cubicle is locked and in use or free to be in use. And it also has buttons opening and closing the toilet cubicle, but that is a nice addition to the London Underground train.